Hello, Tajaha. Today cook pork with the African girl. I start by showing you my pork and my ingredients. That's my those are tomatoes, onions. Then that's my gas where I'm going to be cooking from, and that's my pan. Let's begin. After me washing my pan and after me preparing everything, you can see that's my gas. Make sure you have a clean saucepan, not a saucepan but a clean pan. I'm sorry, you light up your gas, then you start cleaning up your pork. I started by washing it. As you can see, wash your pork clean before you start cooking it. Then after cleaning the pork, you wash the chop board, as you can see me doing, guys. Make sure anything that you're going to use is clean, even the knife. It must be clean, as you can see. From here, I'll be chopping my pork into small pieces. Let's go. From there, I put in my pan, then I start frying. We don't put cooking oil, by the way. It's just enough. You reduce on the fire so that things don't burn. Then you start chopping your ingredients. As you can see, I'm chopping my onions. Let's go. Put this tomato. Oh, did I tell you not to add some cooking oil? I was sorry, guys. But you can put a little, just like you see the way I'm doing it, because the pan was overheating. So I had to first put some little cooking oil, then I added in some salt, as you can see, guys. From there, I started mixing. Let's go. You see, guys, from there, I was watching something on YouTube. There was a pastor preaching something, and I was enjoying. That's why you're seeing me smiling like a peacock. Ooh. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be glad to have a YouTube family as an African girl living in China. I'll be taking you through my day, how I spend it. I think that was all done. Then I bring my rice cooker. You see that cooker, guys, I'd already put in some rice, only that you didn't see, but I'd already put rice. Then I added some raw onions to bring in a good aroma, and our pork was almost ready, guys. It was almost ready, as you can see. I added in my you know, I stay alone. That's why I cooked little pork, because I live alone. You might ask, why is the pork too little? It's just for one person. And I'll give my review. I will compare our African pork with this Chinese pork. Sweetness. Oh, my food was ready. Then I had to serve myself. I had some leftovers for yesterday, as you see that brown rice. Hey guys, you know, I recorded this video during winter season. That's why I was putting on a jacket. See me using those chopsticks. It wasn't easy for me. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful Sunday. Bye.